Oh, it's okay, Gwen. You can do it while we fly.
Here? But anyone could see me.
No one's watching, Gwen. You know what? I'll go up front.
What's happening?
We have a number 2 situation.
Oh. Everything okay back there?
No,
Oh, sorry, Gwen. My bad, my bad.
Mom, I can't do it here. Can we land?
No, we won't land, Gwen. You're old enough to do it in the sky now.
But it's too much pressure. And it's gross.
It's not gross. We're birds. Every bird does it in the sky.
What if someone is looking down there?
No one is looking down there. I told you we are not landing. There is no way we're landing.
Are you sure no one's watching?
Gwen Mallard, do it now, or we leave without you.
Okay.
Oh, she's perfectly capable of doing
It's
her business
okay,
in the
Pam.
sky, and yet here we are.
Just let her be.
Does anybody have a soft moss?
Just use a leaf.